and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today I will try to explore how to update the date here. This is the one of the website redbus.com. So here we need to update the date. For example, I want to select 21, so it's updated. So similarly, I want to select May something, so it's updated. So we try to automate how we can update state. So as of now, I'm deleting. Let it be, no problem. So going back to the UiPath Studio, and first step, I'm taking the input dialog box. So because I need to give the input month, year, and date. So I'm taking this. So first one is I'm keeping as a month. Please select month. And here also I will put the same thing. And here we have the multiple choice. So I will take this and storing into the one variable which is called month. Let me go back to the website one more time. And here I want to check what type of it will come. So as of now, it's how May and June, July. Okay, all have three and some four letters are there and three letters are there. So we need to check all. So as of now, I'm taking only April, May, and June. AP, April, May. So if you want, you can take entire from Jan to till end. Okay, I completed the month. And next, I need to select the year. So I will update here year. And as of now, I'm taking us 2 years, 2023 and 2024, and storing into the year variable. And finally, I will take one more, select the date. I'm taking date. And as of now, I'm going with only couple of dates. Let me check dates how it is coming. 1, 2, okay, like this. So I'm going 19, 20, 21, 19, 20, 21. So these three things are done. So next step is I'm taking the get attribute. So with the help of this attribute, I need to identify what type of data I'm getting here. So now I'm indicating on the screen here. So just I need to read that April 2023. So it might be changed. As of now, it's saying April 2023. It might be the change to some XYZ. So here I need the inner text. Sorry, ANM. I will take ANM or inner text. Anything is fine. As of now, I'm taking ANM and saving into the one variable. I will make it as text, temporary purpose. Let me check what type of data it's coming here. Just I will run only that step. So, and I will check this text. So here having the April 2023 and one space is there after 2023 is there. So that's fine. So next we need to put it in the inside of that loop. Let me take this loop. I'm going with the while, sorry, do while. Let me, so you can take while or do while. So anything is fine. I'm taking do while. And inside this body, I updated this one. And here I need to give the condition. So here the condition is year and month. So I'm taking the both variables plus year. So first what it will come month and year. If we give one extra space here equals to this text. So, equals to. 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 So, equals So when you that condition is satisfied, it should be exit. So if condition is not satisfied, then we need to click on the next. Next means here this arrow mark. And here I added one more if condition. So in this if condition, I will just check this month plus year equals to text or not. So if that text is equals to that, then it don't click anything. If it is not equals to, then I need to click on this arrow mark. Okay, and downside I will give this one more condition. The same thing is for month plus year is equals to the text, then I need to exit from that this loop. So this condition is done. So once this is done, after that we need to take click on the date. So let me take this date and I need to go to Open UI Explorer and I need to modify this. So as of now, it's column, table, and three. Let me check what type of different it will come. Okay, this is row 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me indicate another one. I need to see how it's working. Okay, it's 4, 4. Column 4 and 4. Okay, instead of this, we need to get this name. Okay, here we have the A name. So I take the A name and I will remove this table row and column. Let me try to highlight it. Okay, it's highlighting the 10 value. So here I will just pass the variable here. Let me save it and I will pass the variable here. Date variable. Sorry, day variable I will pass. Okay, month here. So this one I will change to day. Let me go and change the variable here day. So now everything is completed. And after this, just it will click on that and it will hide. Now, for temporary purpose, I will take some different dates. So let me running this bot. We'll see how it will work. Okay, before we need to click on it here. So I forget that step. Let me add that step as well. So let me click on here. Okay. And here I have modified previous it's having the normal click text. So now I keep it here as inside the if condition, I keep it as click on the text image. So because that normal click is not working fine, so I take the click image. So now everything is completed and I'm running this bot finally. So this page is open now running this bot. So as of now, I selected the month May. Okay. And the year is 2024. I'm selecting the 2024 and I taken the date as 19. So now we'll run it. So it's opened the date of data bar and it's moving to August, September until it will reach to that selected date. So as of now, I selected 2024 May, I think so, May or April. Okay, I selected May and 19 date. So this is one of the way we can how to fill the date in the redbus.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.